Salon-like brows at home in minutes. From messy brows to clean and polished look. Let's look at the tools you'd need for this routine. A spoolie brush, a brow comb, brow tweezers, brow shaping razor, facial razor, and a pair of small scissors. I always start by brushing my brow hair up so I can clearly see the hair that I need to take off. Please make sure to hold your skin down and stretch it a little bit so you do not tweeze your skin accidentally. I'm only tweezing away the thick and strong hair simply because when I use the razor, I do not want short ends remaining. I'd like a much cleaner look on my brows. Prefer using tweezers over using threads or using wax because over time those things can sag your skin, and if you have thin skin on your eyes then you have to be extra careful. That's why I think tweezing is so much better. Brushing away the hair so I can see clearly where I need to still pluck. For the top part of the brow and my forehead, I'm going to be using this facial razor. Please do not think that your hair is going to grow back thick. It is a myth, and I've been using a razor on my face for more than 7 years. And I'm using this smaller one in between the hairline and my brow because it helps get into that small space and you don't accidentally cut off the tail of your brow. You can find the link for these razors in my description box. I'm also using the razor on the bottom part of the brow just to get that fine hair that I cannot tweeze because I'm afraid of catching my skin. So this is much easier to do. Now this next step is not necessary, but I prefer doing it, is to hold my brow hair a little bit and then just trimmed the edges off only to get a slightly cleaner look. It's not necessary to do this, so if you would like to, you can skip this part. And here you can notice the difference it makes when you just do these little steps. It looks so much cleaner. I'll do my other brow off camera, and here is the final look. You can see how clean and proper it looks. Everything is so fresh and ready for that makeup to be put on. If you guys found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.